Hi, Manas. Thanks for being on my show,
Hi.
Director Talks, and taking your time off to speak about Cine Hire. So, tell me, how did you start your journey with Cine Hire? What was the inspiration behind the idea or the app that you have created?
Yeah, no, it's a pleasure, Mary, for the interview session. Uh, so the thing is, I've been doing documentary films and ad films since like 7 years. So completed my engineering and then came into these ad films and documentary films. So it's been a great journey. I have been doing it completed doing like 50 documentary films. So it was a great journey I had. So this cine here, when I was doing that particular documentary films and ad films, I found out that there's some type of gap in the recruiting system in films and TV. So found out that it's really a great uh, trouble in finding the jobs, approaching the production houses in terms of both sides, like even the actors who wanted to get into the films, and also to the production houses who wanted the actors, who wanted the talents, to select the talents. There's some type of gap in the hiring system.
Mm-hmm.
So I wanted it like to make it digital. Why physical thing is needed. It's a physical part, right? To travel to the production. Sorry. So to traveling, or else the way we approach, it's time taking, and also the physical thing is getting some type of troubles. So I found out that we have to fill up this gap, by starting a firm which could make the things easy. So then I thought of this particular app called Cine Hire, which make like it's a bridge between the talented people and also the people who wanted to hire the talented people, like the producers, the managers, the casting directors. So I just started this particular thing, where also not only the hiring but even the socializing part. You should be socializing with the people, the
Mm-hmm.
same like-minded people.
Mm-hmm.
Like if I wanted to chat with an actor, like I am a director, I wanted to chat with an actor or else a writer. So even the socializing part is also a great deal over here. So even with Cinehair, you can also chat with them. You can share the photos, the videos, whatever it is. So then I started this particular thing a year ago. Yeah.
So tell me, how is Cinehire different from the other apps that are there in the market, like Talent Track, and we have some other platforms, that allow people to hire and cast them in films. So how is this different from those?
Yeah, yeah. So I have seen few of the applications. Whatever you said, I have seen those apps. I mean, the thing which is different from them and Cinehair is, the main part is like socializing. Those applications, the socializing part is not available at present, I think so.
Mhm,
So, and the thing, the sharing of the portfolios,
mhm,
a bit trouble, I think so. So with Cinehair, I thought socializing must be also a big one. It is also a big feature nowadays. So I particularly concentrated even in the socializing part,
mhm,
like the chat option,
mhm,
or else a video call option,
mhm,
or else posting number of photos, not like limiting it to a 5 or 10 photos.
mhm,
Because when I have seen few of the competitor apps, they are just giving like 5 or 10 photos of a particular for a particular portfolio, or else you need to pay some extra amount.
mhm,
But we from Cinehair, we opted like a user can upload unlimited photos. We didn't limit him to 5 or 10 photos. We gave it like an unlimited photos, the unlimited videos.
mhm.
He is flexible in using his own talents. Even the chat option, we are not charging anything for that. So in the coming days, we are also updating our app to other features too.
Mhm.
So let's see. I mean, Now we have given, updated few of the things, and we have put into the Play Store. Now we want users to use it. When the users are using it, when they are flexible, when they are getting the opportunities, then we try to implement the other features as well. Whatever features, video calling. Nowadays even audition calls can be happen on, you know through the video also.
Mhm.
The actors need not go there
Mm.
to the offices. They can also do it on the video. So we also wanted like a video call session. In the coming days we may give it. Yeah.
So is the app like free to use, or do you have to pay some kind of amount to for membership? Like how is the difference?
Yeah. So in the free app, uh, all the features a user can use all the features. There is no differentiation between a free user and a paid user.
Mhm.
There's nothing. A paid user equally, important like a free user.
Mhm.
The only thing why you have to pay is when you wanted to promote your portfolio to number of people, when you want to showcase it to all the people who are present in the cine hall, then the user need to pay it.
Mhm.
But he can build his portfolio, he can share it. But if he wanted to share the portfolio to all the people of cine hall, then he should be paying it.
Mhm.
So that is one of the paid feature. And the second thing is, if he wanted to promote his photos
Mhm.
to all the people or to many of the people, then he have to pay. So only the promotional part, where he's not, where he wanted to elaborate his reach, then he is paying it. Only for that, there is a paid feature. Or else a paid user has, a free user has an equal importance. He can use every feature. There's nothing like, only the paid user has to be paid and use the. There's nothing like that. Yeah.
So since CineHire is a on Google Pay, it's already on Google stores, but it's based in Hyderabad. So do you think it's like a disadvantage, like it's only for the South industry, Tollywood, or you are going to expand it to Bollywood and maybe Hollywood? What is the
Yeah,
plan?
yeah, yeah. Actually, when we are going into digital, there is no any boundaries. When we are going into digital, the app is like, it's in the world market. It's in the world. People from any part of the city can use the platform. But the where we are promotional, the promotional part comes, then when that particular city people will get to know about this particular thing. So here we wanted, we started the promotion from South India first, because I stay over here and I know the market over here. I want people to accept here first.
Hmm.
When people are accepting here, when they are okay, this particular app, we can use this particular app. It's a very good app. When I'm confident enough, then I start promoting to the other cities too immediately. I think probably by April I may go to Bombay or Delhi. I may start promoting there. But in the initial time, now I wanted, the South Indian people, the Telugu people, the Tollywood people, I wanted them to accept for then I get some of the reviews from their side. Then I may go to the next particular city. But it's open, it's in the open market, so anybody from the Bombay can also use this particular app.
So how has the response been so far since it's already open and out there on the store? How is it? How are people
Yeah,
receiving it?
yeah, yeah. There's a great response from the people over here, because even users took the number. I don't know from where they've been calling me also, because this is the first ever time they have got this particular app. Previously, they used to travel to the production houses from long distances. From other cities, they used to come to Hyderabad.
Mhm.
So, and the way the production houses received them is also they didn't like it,
Mhm.
because few may allow them inside, few may, they don't even allow them. They may get back to wherever they came from. So there's a trouble for them. So because of this particular platform,
Mhm.
they could able to, share whatever they wanted, share their talents, etc. So I got a very good response from the users, and also in terms of the managers and cashier directors, they are also very much open with this particular thing, because they could able to uh, hi, they could able to get the talented people in a very less time. So even from them I got a very good response. And also there are organizational people, like
Mhm,
the writers association,
mhm,
the director associations.
mhm,
We are also collaborating with those associations,
mhm.
because we could get the very reputed people of the industry to be also part of Cinehead. So we are also getting a great amount of interest from their own side also.
Are you planning to tie up with brands and influencers to promote the app? Like anything in the future?
Yeah, very much. We may, tie up with some of the companies over here, because there are a lot of studios in
Mhm.
Hyderabad. It
Yeah.
became one of the top industries.
Hmm.
It became one of the top industries. So there are many studio companies over here. Even the camera companies,
Mhm.
they are coming to Hyderabad
Mhm.
to launch their own warehouses.
Mhm.
Before, what happened is, from China, from United States, the camera companies, we used to buy them. Now they are launching their own companies over here.
Hmm.
So it's becoming, Hyderabad is not only Hyderabad but India. It's
Hmm.
becoming a very large industry. So we may even tie up with them. We are just collaborating with all the people out here,
Hmm.
because this is like a very single platform where you know there is a lot of scope in it. So I don't want to stick with this particular thing. I want to elaborate it
Hmm.
to whatever extent, whatever I could do, whatever we could do.
Hmm.
We wanted to elaborate to all the skills.
So, what is the 5-year plan from now? How do you see Cine Hire growing into a big brand or big company, or maybe a production house? Like, how do you see it in the next 5 years?
I wanted in the in the initial time, the main thing I wanted to get more and more users. Initially, my only thought process was here from
Mhm.
different part of the cities and also from the villages.
Mhm.
People are coming to Hyderabad, because I
Mhm.
have seen in my own production house, people
Mhm.
used to come to my office and they used to give their resumes and all.
Mhm.
Firstly, I wanted them, whenever those people get satisfied, whenever at least I could get few of the opportunities from Cinehair,
Mhm.
then it will be like a boost up thing for me. So initially, my only point is to make them work over here, give them opportunities. The only bridge uh, is concerned like recruiters and the actors. I wanted this thing to go in a very peaceful way. Then I may I have a lot of plans, but initially my thought is this particular thing, to get them opportunity. That's it.
Fine. So before we wrap up, what message would you like to give to the audience about Cine Hire, to the budding actors, writers, directors, and the production houses? How is it different, and why would you want them to be on your platform? And a shout out about your social handle so that they could follow you.
Yeah. Yeah. So for Cine High, I wanted, whoever, whatever talent they are having in the films or TV or theater, he may be an actor, he may be a photographer or else a cameraman, whoever he is. I just wanted them to, create the portfolio, share it to the people, just engage with the other talented people, be active on the platform. Then just wait for a few more days. When there is a particular opportunity, because there is a space for audition calls, right?
Mm-hmm.
When they the job which suits them, then if they wait for a few more days, if they get recruited, that's it. I wanted to tell to them, just be active, share the portfolio, build up a portfolio, That's what the thing I wanted them to do in the
Mm,
beginning,
mm,
because you are not paying anything.
mm.
You are just, you are just utilizing the tool. That's it. I want to tell them. And if at all they are having any sort of trouble or anything, in Instagram, there's a page called Cine Hire. So they can, send a DM so that we could respond. So they can personally follow me as a virtual manners. So they can follow me. If there's any sort of trouble, we could solve it immediately.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Manas, for your wonderful afternoon chat with us on Director Talks. I hope that your plan succeeds. And people do download Cinehire from the Google Store. It's free. You can create your profile and start giving auditions and connecting with the production houses. So thanks, Manas, once again for joining me today. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mary, for the time. Yeah, thanks for the
Thank,
time.
thank you.